Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 8 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 8 name is Rise of Buddhism. Question 1. According to Buddhist traditions, who was the charioteer of Buddha? A. Channa, B. Kanthak, C. Devdutt, D. Chanda. Answer is A. Channa. Question 2. What symbol represents birth of Gautam Buddha? A. Bodhi tree, B. Lotus, C. Horse, D. Wheel. Answer is B. Lotus. Question 3. What symbol represents Nirvana of Gautam Buddha? A. Lotus, B. Wheel, C. Horse, D. Bodhi tree. Answer is D. Bodhi tree. Question 4. During whose reign was the fourth Buddhist council held? A. Ashoka, B. Kalashoka, C. Ajatashatru, D. Kanishk. Answer is D. Kanishk. Question 5. First Buddhist council was held in Sapparni cave near Rajgriha during the reign of which of the following kings? A. Ajatashatru, B. Ashoka, C. Kanishk, D. Kalashok. Answer is A. Ajatashatru. Question 6. Who presided over fourth Buddhist council held at Kundalwan, Kashmir in 22 AD during the reign of Kushan king Kanishk? A. Mahakashyap, B. Vasumitra, C. Mogliputra Tis, D. Sabakami. Answer is B. Vasumitra. Question 7. In which Buddhist council Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayan sects? A. First Buddhist council, B. Second Buddhist council, C. Third Buddhist council, D. Fourth Buddhist council. Answer is B. Second Buddhist council. Question 8. During whose reign Mahayana sect of Buddhism, which was founded by Asang, came into existence? A. Ashok, B. Kanishk, C. Ajatashatru, D. Nagarjuna. Answer is B. Kanishk. Question 9. Abhidham Pitak deals with which of the following? A. Members of great community, B. Teachings of Buddha, C. Moral code of conduct, D. Matters of psychology and metaphysics. Answer is D. Matters of psychology and metaphysics. Question 10. Which among the following Buddhist scriptures deals with the teachings of Buddhism? A. Abhidham Pitak, B. Vinay Pitak, C. Sutta Pitak, D. Both B and C. Answer is C. Sutta Pitak. Question 11. Which sect of Buddhism does not believe in idol worship? A. Hinayan, that is lesser vehicle, B. Mahayana, C. Vajrayana, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Hinayan. Hinayan means lesser vehicle. Question 12. Who among the following was the author of Abhidham treatise Kathavattu? Kathavattu means points of conflict. A. Mahakashyap, B. Mahinda, C. Milind, D. Mogliputra Tis. Answer is D. Mogliputra Tis. Question 13. Which among the following is not among Asht Mahasthans? A. Lumbini, B. Rajgiri, C. Vajrayana, D. Takshila. Answer is D. Takshila. Question 14. In which Buddhist council Buddhism was divided into Sthaviravadins and Mahasanghikas? A. First Buddhist council, B. Second Buddhist council, C. Third Buddhist council, D. Fourth Buddhist council. Answer is B. Second Buddhist council. Question 15. During whose reign the third Buddhist council was organized? A. Ashok, B. Kalashok, C. Ajatashatru, D. Kanishk. Answer is A. Ashok. Question 16. Which among the following mudra is the gesture of Buddha as depicted in his first sermon? Abhay mudra, Dhyan mudra, Dharm chakra mudra, Bhumi sparsh mudra. Answer is C. Dharm chakra mudra. Question 17. At which among the following places the Dharm chakra Jina Vihar was constructed by Gahadawala Queen Kumar Devi? A. Bodh Gaya, B. Rajgriha, C. Kushinagar, D. Sarnath. Answer is D. Sarnath. Question 18. Revere all the Buddhas, revere the Dharma, revere the Sangha. Which among the following quotes this? A. Allahabad pillar inscription, B. Ashoka Edict 12, C. Ashoka Edict 10, D. Mathura land capital. Answer is D. Mathura land capital. Question 19. Buddha Charita, the epic biography of Gautam Buddha in Sanskrit, was written by A. Ashwaghosh, B. Indrabhuti, C. Asang, D. Bodhisain. Answer is A. Ashwaghosh. Question 20. Buddhism from India was introduced to which current region by Kashyap Matang? A. China, B. Southeast Asia, C. Sri Lanka, D. Africa. Answer is A. China. Question 21. Sarnath is related to which among the following events in the life of Buddha? A. First sermon, B. Last sermon, C. Mahaparinirvan, D. Dhammachakra Pravartan. Answer is A. First sermon. Question 22. Kushinar or Kushinagar, where Lord Buddha attained Parinirvan, was located in which among the following provinces of ancient India? A. Ang, B. Magad, C. Mal, D. Vats. Answer is C. Mal. Question 23. The word Vihar in Buddhism means A. Residence of monks, B. Hall of worship, C. Congregation hall, D. Garden. Answer is A. Residence of monks. Question 24. Which among the following Buddhist canon is related to dealing with rules for monks and nuns? A. Vinay Pitak, B. Sutta Pitak, C. Abhidhamma Pitak, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Vinay Pitak. Canon means rules. Question 25. Which among the following is true about Buddha? A. He accepted existence of God. B. He didn't accept existence of God. C. He neither accepted nor rejected the existence of God. D. None of the above. Answer is C. He neither accepted nor rejected the existence of God. Question 26. Which Buddhist council was held in Kundalwan, Kashmir during the reign of Kanishk, which definitely divided Buddhism into two sects, Mahayana and Hinayan? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer is D. Fourth Buddhist Council. Question 27. Sarnath is associated with which aspect of Buddha's life? A. Birth, B. Residence, C. First sermon, D. Death. Answer is C. First sermon. Question 28. In which of the following Buddhist councils the compilation of Sutta Pitak and Vinay Pitak took place? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer is A. First Buddhist Council. Question 29. Hemis festival is dedicated to Lord Padmasambhava, Gur Rinpoche, venerated as the representative reincarnate of Buddha. In which part of India it is held every year? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Ladakh, D. Odisha. Answer is C. Ladakh. Question 30. Fourth Buddhist Council was held at A. Kapilvastu, B. Kashmir, C. Sarnath, D. Bodh Gaya. Answer is B. Kashmir. Question 31. Why most of the Greeks, Kushans and Shakas embraced Buddhism rather than Hinduism when they established their rules in India? A. Buddhism had risen and it eclipsed Hinduism. B. A policy of war and violence was to be renounced before embracing Buddhism. C. Hinduism was caste ridden and was unable to attract them. D. It was easy to access Indian society by embracing Buddhism. Answer is D. It was easy to access Indian society by embracing Buddhism. Question 32. Which of the following is not an event in ancient Indian history in BC era? A. Foundation of the Indo-Greek Empire by Demetrius in 182 BC. B. Beginning of Vikram Samvat era in 57 BC by Vikramaditya of Ujjain. C. Fourth Buddhist Council held in 78 AD. D. Hathi Gumfa inscription by Kharvel. Answer is C. Fourth Buddhist Council took place in 78 AD. It is not an event in ancient history in BC era. Question 33. Gautam or Siddharth was born at which of the following places? A. Patliputra, B. Lumbini, C. Kundagram, D. Kaushal. Answer is B. Lumbini. Question 34. What was the name of Gautam or Siddharth's stepmother? A. Prajapati Gautami, B. Mahamaya, C. Yashodhara, D. Anuj. Answer is A. Prajapati Gautami. Question 35. What are the three pitaks? It means the three baskets or collections. A. Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, B. Three Ratnas of Mahavir, C. Collection of the preachings of Buddha, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Collection of the preachings of Buddha. Question 36. Which of the following are correctly matched? Tripitak and subject matter. 1. Sutta Pitak, conventional teaching. 2. Vinay Pitak, disciplinary code. 3. Abhidham Pitak, moral psychology. A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 37. Which of the following are correct regarding Jataks? A. They are the stories of animals. B. They are the stories of Buddha's family. C. They are the stories of previous births of Buddha. D. None of the above. Answer is C. They are the stories of the previous births of Buddha. Question 38. Which of the following is also known as Shakyamuni or Tathagat? A. Mahavir. B. Valmiki. C. Upali. D. Buddha. Answer is D. Buddha. Question 39. After encountering which of the following sights, Siddhartha decided to become a wanderer and left his place? 1. An old man. 2. A sick man. 3. A corpse. 4. An ascetic. Options are A. Only 1 and 2. B. Only 2 and 3. C. Only 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First one is an old man. Second one is a sick man. Third one is a corpse. And fourth one is an ascetic. Question 40. With which of the following wandering ascetics Buddha practiced austerities? A. Kondan. B. Bhadya. C. 3. Vappa. 4. Mahanama. 5. Asajji. Options are only 1, B only 2, C only 3, D only 4, E only 5, F 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Correct answer is option F 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 41. Buddha was offered a bowl of milk rice by which of the following? A. Sujata. B. Kapila. C. Yashodhara. D. Sunita. Answer is A. Sujata. Question 42. At which of the following places Gautam Buddha attained nirvana or enlightenment? A. Lumbini. B. Gaya, old name Uruvela. C. Kushinagar. D. Sarnath. Answer is B. Gaya, whose old name was Uruvela, which was a forest at that time. Question 43. Who cut down the famous Bodhi tree in the 2nd century BC? A. Ashok. B. Shashank in 600 AD. C. Pushyamitra Shung in 2nd century BC. D. Mahapadmananda. Answer is C. Pushyamitra Shung in 2nd century BC cut down the famous Bodhi tree. Shashank also cut down the Bodhi tree, but he cut down in 600 AD. Question 44. Buddha delivered his first sermon at which of the following places? A. Kushinagar. B. Lumbini. C. Gaya. D. Sarnath in Deer Park. Answer is D. Sarnath in Deer Park. Question 45. Buddha attained parinirvana at which age? A. 70. B. 75. C. 80. D. 85. Answer is C. 80. Question 46. Which of the following are the 3 important pillars of the teachings of Buddha? A. 1. Buddha. 2. Dhamma. 3. Sangha. 4. Nirvana. Option A. Only 1 and 2. Option B. Only 2, 3 and 4. Option C. Only 1, 2 and 3. Option D. Only 1, 2 and 4. Correct answer is option C. Only 1, 2 and 3. That is Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Question 47. Arrange the following realms in ascending order as per Buddhism. Number 1. Buddha. Number 2. Pratyek Buddha. Number 3. Bodhisattva. Number 4. Human beings. Options are A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 4, 3, 2. C. 2, 1, 4, 3. D. 1, 3, 2, 4. Correct answer is option D. 1, 3, 2 and 4. The correct order of existence of 10 realms are 1. Buddha. 2. Bodhisattva. 3. Pratyek Buddha. 4. Shravak. 5. Heavenly beings. 6. Human beings. 7. Asura. 8. Beasts. 9. Pret. 10. Depraved men. Question 48. Who among the following was the president of the first Buddhist council held in 483 BC at Rajgriha? A. Anand, B. Nagsen, C. Ajatashatru, D. Mahakashyap. Answer is D. Mahakashyap. Question 49. Where was the second Buddhist council held during the reign of King Kalashoka in 383 BC? A. Rajgriha, B. Kashi, C. Vaishali, D. Sarnath. Answer is D. C. Vaishali. Question 50. Under the reign of which of the following kings the third Buddhist council was held in 250 BC at Patliputra? A. Kanishk, B. Harshvardhan, C. Ashok, D. Kalashok. Answer is C. Ashok. Question 51. Which among the following is not included in the five aggregates of Buddhism, also called as Panch Khand or Panch Skand? A. Roop, B. Vedant, C. Moksha, D. San. Answer is C. Moksha. Moksha means freedom from birth and death. The Panch Khands are 1. Roop, 2. Vedant, 3. San, 4. Sankharas, 5. Vinanna. Question 52. The law of dependent organization or Pathich Samupada refers to A. Path to attain moksha, B. Explains the reasons of dukh as well as the key to its liberation, C. Gives the account of Panch Khand, D. Circle of life and death. Answer is B. Explains the reasons of dukh as well as the key to its liberation. Question 53. Mahatma Buddha visited the Kaushambi during the reign of which of the following kings? A. Dharmsen, B. Bodhi, C. Udayin, D. Satnik. Answer is C. Udayin. Question 54. At which of the following places the entry of women as bhikshuni into the Sangh was allowed by Buddha? A. Rajgriha, B. Vaishali, C. Nalanda, D. Shravasti. Answer is B. Vaishali. Question 55. Who among the following wrote the Buddha Charit? A. Nagarjun, B. Ashwaghosh, C. Dinanada, D. Gautam Buddha. Answer is B. Ashwaghosh. Question 57. At which of the following places Buddhist Learning Center is located? A. Vikramshila, B. Varanasi, C. Sarnath, D. Takshila. Answer is A. Vikramshila. Question 58. Which event of Gautam Buddha's life is depicted by the wheel and deer in Indian art? A. Great Departure, B. Enlightenment, C. First Preaching, D. Nirvana. Answer is C. First Preaching. Question 59. The famous place Bodh Gaya, where Buddha got enlightenment, is situated on the banks of which river? A. Kosi, B. Ganga, C. Niranjana, D. Vainganga. Answer is C. Niranjana. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.